Sculpture Wood Carving CNC Router. Item specifics. Brand name Robotech CNC or Alu CNC. Condition new model number: 1325. Working size: 1300 x 2500 200 mm Z-hin square rails. Z-ball screw from Taiwan. Color as your need. Voltage: 220 volts/380 volts. Sculpture Wood Carving CNC Router Machine for car mats. Wood triannual ring round 3D carpet. Product features: CNC Router 1325 machine. One thicker square tube bed makes the operation more stable and accuracy. 2 Our machines adopt the vacuum or T-slot dual-use table. You can use the clips to fix the small scale materials, which can save the vacuum pump electricity, and you can adopt the vacuum adsorption to fix large-scale material. So the processing is convenient, simple and efficient. 3 High-quality Taiwan imported linear guide has much longer life, 10 times of lifetime than round guide. It is stable and hard to distort. 4 3 kW top brand water cooling spindless, much powerful strength, so for processing your soft metal it will have higher efficiency. It will have a better effect. 5 The Mach 3 control system is a very popular control system with high quality. It's with USB port. 6 Double motor for Y-axis make the CNC machine work with more strength. Model RTM 2030 CNC Router 2030. Working area: 2000 x 3200 mm. Traveling positioning accuracy ±0.03/300 of a millimeters. Repositioning accuracy ±0.01 mm. Table vacuum or T-slot table. Frame welded structure. Z-structure Taiwan TBI ball screw. X, Y-axis high-win rail 20 linear bearing and Taiwan TBI ball screw. Max power consumption, without spindle, 2.5 kW 3 kW. Max rapid travel rate 33,000 mm per minute. Max working speed 25,000 mm per minute. Spindle power 0 to 400 RPM. Drive motor stepper or servo motor. Working voltage AC 380 V/50/60 of a Hz, 3 pH, option, 220 volts. Command language G-code. Operating system DSP/NC Studio, Mach 3 controller. Computer interface USB. Flash memory 128 MB disk. Quality R25. X, Y resolution 0.01 mm. Software compatibility type 3. More details check in the description. Thanks for watching.